Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to present how you can achieve production account separation in version 16 of Odoo. On my screen you can see this is the Odoo version 17 where I have a separate settings for automated accounting where I can define production account which can be separate from product categories to categories. But for Odoo16 this is not available. So how you can achieve a separate production cost of production account on different product. So I'm closing this window and moving to Odoo16. This is my Odoo16 and I will show you how you can do that. First of all, I will define a separate cost of production account on my chart of accounts. So production semi-finished, which is reconcilable, and cost of production finished. Okay, and then I will define a separate interim account. Stop move. Okay, so these three accounts I have defined, and this is my two products, semi-finished and finished. Over here now I have same product category where I will define a same interim account, because post production it will hit the same account when I am receiving finished goods and I am consuming semi-finished. So that's why I am keeping same stock input and output account. This is one setting we have to do, and then we have to do another setting inside our stock. So this is my semi-finished goods, but before that I have to define a separate location. So over here on standard Odoo we have a virtual location production where I will do production semi-finished, and here I have stock valuation account where I will give input and output stock semi-finished. I will duplicate this. I will name it as finish goods, and here I will set finished goods. So now I have two separate virtual production account. Okay, and now what I will do is on semi-finished I have this inventory property. Over here I will define semi-finished production account, and on my finished goods on inventory I will define finished goods as a location. Okay. Now in my product I have to check it is replenishment order and manufacture, and second also replenishment order and manufacture. And then on the routes of manufacture on MTO, basically I have to define two separate account like virtual location production semi-finished. So the same rule I have to define for finished goods also. So what I will do, I will create a new rule over here for finished goods. Action will be pulled from, operation type will be manufacturing, now this is my route. Over here operation type is manufacturing, source location is stock, and this is semi-finished as a destination. Then I have to create a new rule, finished goods picture, pull from Then my operation type will be manufacturer. Source location will be pre-production. Destination location will be finished goods. Take from stock if not found, another rule. So now I have two rules. Okay, semi-finish and finish. This is on my MTO. This route I have modified it. I have defined two products, semi-finished and finished. On semi-finished, I will check my product. I have raw material 1, raw material 2. I don't have anything on hand. Let me just set up post. So production goods. Production goods. I'm changing it. Or I can, maybe this is raw material. I don't want to define, so I will keep it maybe as it is. But as it is not, average costing, let me move to this only. Okay. These R1 and R2, let me make some inventory. So let's say I have 100 units of R1 and then 100 units of R2. So this is my inventory on hand till now. And now on semi-finished, I will define its BOM. So inside BOM, I will define semi-finished as one of the component and R1, R2 as component. So when I compute from cost, it is 20. But now for semi-finished, I will define its BOM, where I am using R1, R2, 2 units, 2 units. So once I compute, the cost of this will be 40, and when I compute cost, it will be 60. So on my finished goods, on my BOM, when I see my overview, you will see finished goods will require semi-finished, which will consume R1, R2, 2 units, and finished goods will require semi-finished and require R1 and R2, 1 unit. Okay. So all setup is done. Now I will go to my manufacturing, and here I will keep open my general ledger where my stock valuation has been manually updated for R1 and R2. You can see it over here. Okay. Now what I will do is I will go to AMO and maybe I will generate finished goods for 2 units. I am releasing an order. So as soon as I confirm, it will trigger one child demo because I am also in requirement of semi-finished goods. So in my child demo, I will find semi-finished goods demo and then two transfers, basically pre to post, post to there. So I will go here, set quantity, validate it. So my transfer is done. Okay. And then second transfer will be post production. So once I am done with this production of 2 units of semi-finished, okay, and if I check my ledger, you can see cost of production has been registered. Okay, and semi-finished goods is available in stock valuation. Now I am making this done, this child demo, and I will be done with my another transfer. Let me check. So this transfer, I have to set quantity and validate. So this transfer will be done. for MO6 for source MO to check transfers, set quantity, and transfer is done. And now if I check my ledger again, I am done with all my production. So our stock valuation, I have received semi-finished goods which is consumed again and coming into finished goods, okay, with all the raw material. So this is my semi-finished goods stock, then it consume again into receive a finished goods. Here in cost of production semi-finished, I have registered my two component and outcome is semi-finished goods. And now a separate cost of production for finished goods, I have registered my 80 rupees for $80 for semi-finished goods and another two raw material R1, R2, and then it becomes 120. So this is how over version 16 also you can define a different cost of production account on product and register a separate cost of production per product. Okay, hope this video will help many production houses to separate out their cost of production who are still using Odoo version 16. Thank you.